Yo, Mr. Double EB, Mixmaster, Mr. 55P, Mr. Rottweiler, Mr. Motivator, ready for a round, Mr. Master Debater. Oops, you missed a bit on your chin right there. Semen everywhere, like the navy's in your hair. My baby's everywhere, sticking to you like glue. Do that, you go blind like Mr. Magoo. Mr. Mac, crackerjack, rolling like a Cadillac. Breaking bout, shagging from the back in the caddy shack. Knick-knack, daddy's back, but mommy fucked off. Mr. No Johnny, so I'm coming in assault. Mr. B, Mr. T, Mr. fucking bus. Miscommunication leading to mistrust. Miss World, Miss Brazil, Miss Suck my nuts. I'm missing on a mission, Mr. Don't give a fuck. Hey, it's me, Mr. Pushy Teen. I'm beating down pussy in the fucking canteen. Mr. Pushy Teen, Pushy Teen. Pushy Teen, Mr. That's what they say to me. Yeah, Pushy Teen. Fucking like I'm skiing. Bring your sexy back, dancing fully lean. Bouncing like a trampoline on a hoe named Charlene. Lean back, everybody lean. Who you gonna call? The fucking E-team. E-butter bang, checker con, packing the machine. In, a Pushy Teen. Fully fucking seas, make a scream, make a skirt. In, save the world, all go green. Get rid of all the fags. Everybody smoke weed. Everybody get down to the birds and the bees. Hoes down on your knees. A Pushy Teen. Push up, push pop. Pops pushing your mommy with the porno playing on the screen. Yeah, we're doing things the kids can't see, and you won't tell your friends about it. Push it in, and shake it in the mouth. Hey, it's me, Mr. Pushy Teen. I'm beating down pussy in the fucking canteen. Mr. Pushy Teen. Pushy Teen, Mr. That's what they say to me, cause I'm the sickest of the sickest, so we mysticalistics. And walking tall like I'm standing on the shoulders of midgets. I'll have your girl and her girl within 2 minutes. Menage till morning, then kick the bitches out before breakfast. I leave them bow-legged and breathless. Sometimes leaving on stretches, man, I'm as wild as old Texas. My flow's no less than Lexus. Fuck that Bentley, yo big booty bitches, I fuck too many.